I'm going to bring in the pizza. Okay. So, I'm going to cut this in half. Oh, it's 2 pieces of crust. Alright, so I can fix me one for lunch. Yeah. Okay. So here, this one we got. Cut it in half.
Do you think that's what some of the smell from?
Mom is gonna cut a pizza.
That's it?
Yeah. We need a pizza roller. Careful. There we go.
And you, it's cheap. And you say the rest. So how long you leaving in them?
Huh?
You read the direction? And you say the rest for later.
I think it's direction.
Huh?
Yeah, the direction in the back. So look at everything.
Here, hold on. It says,
Okay.
preheat oven to 425. Brush the crust. Look. It says. So I guess you can say okay, you can save the rest of your crust in here.
So we press the brush.
I don't know. Look outside.
She said she's coming back.
Yeah.
So this is
Oh, look what you can put
how
on
it
there.
is.
Look what they got on there.
Let's take it. That is nasty. I don't like it. You got squash, lettuce,
Tomatoes.
cucumbers.
You want some whole the tomatoes on there with your sauce? Help him. It's $4.25 and bake for 5 to 7 minutes. So,
Yeah, King, you gotta help me, bruh. Yes, you do. Okay, so this is it. The thing of it. And then, so we got to get the cooking. So I put so you know what comes first? Tomato sauce, piece of salt. Look, King. Brother King right there. Okay. You ready? Ready to do this, Kimberly? Kimberly, you want to play this?
That's my name.
What?
That's my name.
Kimberly.
It's not Kimberly.
King.
My name Tony.
What?
Put some respect on.
Tony.
Yeah, Tony Thomas. Boy, you already know how to do this. All you gotta do is put the pepper
Sauce.
sauce.
it said brush it with some oil there.
Brush it with some oil.
Hey, Michael.
Yeah.
You seen the thing of chopped tomatoes? A can, not the whole one. Is it kind of?
That's good. You should try this. Try that. Try this, y'all. Yeah.
You recording? Boy, you record anything.
No, I'm just back into the video. Ba 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 ba. Hey, okay. Look at this. Mike. Let's say it again.
Okay. Get you a thing to spread your sauce.
You want me to spread my? So spread my sauce first, ma. That's a long one. Long one. Yeah. I'm mixing it. I do not know why. I'm mixing it. I do not know why. Chopping it up.
Okay, but you're gonna have more peeps, which means more of
Peeps.
not
Peeps. time. So I'm really into the Jack and Annie chapter books now. And the Goosebumps. Ooh, I'm gonna put it like right there. That's gonna be the bomb. That's gonna be the bomb. It's gonna have it inside.
You making a pizza?
Yeah, I'm making that pizza, Michael.
Oh, that pizza, huh?
Yeah.
It's gonna be like that?
It's gonna be like that, cause I was thinking about putting the sauce like right here. That's gonna taste good.
Yeah, let the sauce run down.
Yeah.
And cook it into it.
Yeah.
Those behind the door.
Oh, thank you.
Do it. Circular motion. Motion. So you still? So this like this how it looks now because I just did it. I was thinking about like putting it like right there, like there. Okay, so I'm about to do that now. So I'm just gonna look at it. Ah. So. I'm gonna use this right here then, like put it in there. Ah.
Who popping this? It's already not there.
Okay, that was not no good idea. Just letting this go. Right there. You want some fish?
I'm just looking at you the phone.
Huh?
I'm just looking at you.
The other half gonna be a cheese pizza. This pizza, this with me. Cause look here, it's another pizza right here, but the other side for me for cheese. Yeah, for real. So I'm about to put this pepperoni on it. What the heck? I'm just smelling like. Boom, 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 boom. I like that sound. That's gonna come out. Pepperoni. Here we go. So this. Two. Bang. Yeah. Bro, that's like crazy. Yeah, bite that. Come on. Yeah. So I'm just gonna like one. Put out like 10. This should be alright, I guess. No. Probably less. Boom. Yeah. Okay. Boom. My back is hurting right now. I gotta bend. Nah. All these places to go. All these places to go. All these places. I'm making a smiley face. About to make me a smiley face piece, okay, guys? I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Should I add a nose? Bro, that look like that's this. Alright. I guess I don't need these. I will for the ends and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay. Now I don't need this. So anyway, good. I use this for the. Okay. Wait. Now I'm gonna put this one on. I'm just gonna show you the glad I got a case on. This not this. So and I'm gonna add some more. And then that's it. Cause after this I gotta charge my phone. Then I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. That's gonna be part 2. This is part 1. I'm baking it. I'm baking this and stuff. Alright guys. This for me, my brother, my mom. Yeah. Boom. That should be good. 2 more. Okay. Right there. Right there. Not so close. Right there. Right there. That's it. So this is how I ended out. Alright. So this was 11 minutes. So catch y'all later. Peace out. Part 2. Here it comes.